Next, let's see how to make a simple calculation by giving some random numbers as values of an array and using those numbers. First, I create an array called myNumbers. Click Variables and drag a var list code block here. We change the name of this array to myNumbers. Here, we do not type values. Therefore, on the right side of the equal sign, the space to type values should be removed. Let's click on the arrow on the left side and remove that space. Next, you need to add values to the array. For that, I click Variables again and drag an append item code block here. Here, you need to give the name of the array as myNumbers. Here in front, we need to provide the value to be added. But here, we do not give an exact value. Some random numbers are stored in the array. Click Map and drag a random number code block here. Since I want to get a random number between 1 and 10, let's keep these values as 1, 10. In this way, two more random numbers should be stored in the array. Click Variables again and drag an append item code block here. Let's give the name of this array here as myNumbers. Click Map and drag a random number code block here. Here also, I want to get a random number between 1 and 10. So these values are 1, 10. Once again, the append item code block in the variable section is dragged here. Here, the name of the array is given as myNumbers. Click Map and drag a random number code block here, and these values are 1 and 10. Now we have added 3 random numbers to the myNumbers array. Let's find the sum of the first and the second number out of these 3 numbers. To assign the sum, I create a variable called x. I drag a var x equal code block under variables here. Since we need to add 2 numbers, click Map and drag a block with the plus sign to the right side of the equal sign like this. How many elements do we need to add? The first number is the 0th element. The second number is the first element. Then we are going to need 2 elements 0 and 1. To the left side of the plus sign, I click Variables and drag a list box bracket code block. Let's remove the word list here and give the name of the array as myNumber. Since the 0th element needs to be added, type 0 here. To the right side of the equal sign, click Variables in the same way and drag a list box bracket code block. Let's remove the word list here and give the name of the array as myNumbers. Since the first element needs to be added, type 1 here. Now we need to display the values in this array, the total. Click Variables and drag a console.log code block here like this. I want to display the values in front with a text. So click Map and drag a code block with the plus sign like this. To the left of the plus sign in inverted commas, type myNumbers : To the right side of the plus sign, the name of the array is given myNumbers. Now the display collection. Click Variables again and drag the console.log code block. Remove the word message here and give the name of the variable we want to display. Because we have assigned the sum of the variable x, here we type x. Now let's click the Run button. In front of the text myNumbers, 3 randomly assigned numbers between 1 and 10 are displayed. Below that, the sum of the first 2 of these 3 numbers are displayed. Now, click the Reset button. Let's click the Run button again. Now, the 3 random numbers we got have changed. Due to the new numbers, the totals will also change. Since we do not give fixed values to the elements of the array, different values can be obtained for random numbers in different cases when the program is run. Accordingly, the output will also change. Now, click the Reset button.